Hi, welcome to Crystal's Diamond Painting. I'm Crystal. It's wonderful to see you guys. Had a lot going on recently in the last couple days, so I'm going to go over that here in a second. But before I do, please hit the subscribe and notification bell so you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. So there's something you might want to see. So my ex-husband and my oldest son and my middle son and their younger brother all live in a house together. It caught fire the other night, Tuesday morning at like 3 o'clock in the morning, 2:30 in the morning. And it's pretty much a complete loss. It was just crazy. At least everyone's safe and not hurt, but definitely scary to wake up to and to get the news of. So, and part of my hair, I've had a rough couple of days. And then my neighbor's house caught on fire yesterday in the middle of day. So 2 fires yesterday, and that was a lot to take in and handle. So everyone out there, please be safe, be careful. Fires are nothing to play around with and joke around with. They devastate and destroy so much and so fast. Anyways, I'm gonna get on to my video now that I've kind of rambled on about that for a little bit. So today what I'm doing is my Free Like a Bird. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a kit up of this one. And so I'm going to turn you around, so give me a minute. This should be enough to get you guys a good view of what's going on. So the first thing I did was I went and got a photocopy of the numbers here, the legend, so that I can get the symbols with the colors down together. That way, if I cut off my legend when I go to frame my canvas, the legend will be available to me in my notebook so that I can replace any pop drills that happen. Now this kit is actually pretty small, sitting at only 29 colors. And then I have the Scion sticker maker here, and it's pretty easy. You just put it in the end, grab down here, pull, makes a nice little sticker, cut off the end. You're gonna want to push down so that it's adhered to the sticker part, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and pull this part off. That's nice. Gets rid of all that extra sticky. And then you simply grab this end, pull it off. Don't let it stick together because that'd be bad. Oh, I just did. Oh, that was a bad mistake. I don't know if that'll work now or not. All right, I'm gonna need to put a little bit of tape over that right there where I accidentally pulled it up. That's okay. That's no big deal. And then I'm gonna take this big sticker here, if I can get it to release. Trying to see. Okay, that's different. So this one isn't actually separated. That's okay. Just simply cut along the edges. And then I put that in here. All right, and then I'm going to give it a code number. That way when I put my baggies together for the kitting down process, I can put the code with it for this particular painting. All right, and then at the bottom, I just put a slight description of who it's for or whatever. So anyways, that's done. It's super easy. It's just kind of one of those things you need to do to make sure you're keeping track of stuff. Okay, and then I have these stickers here, which have DMC numbers on them. I bought them off of Amazon. I got like, I don't know, 20 pages of it for like a couple bucks. It wasn't much. Actually don't like the way I just did that. I think I'm going to cut off part of the sticker that says the serial number, which is just like what number it is going down the row, like 1 all the way down to 29. So I'm gonna take those off. They're not necessary. Not for me anyways. All right. And then I'm just simply going straight down the line, putting them all on. And if I run across one that has more bags and needs more containers, I'll simply pull and put labels on the new containers and rearrange them so that they are sitting in the proper spots. Now I can never seem to get these stickers to go on perfectly even and make them look all awesome. I don't know. I get them on there. The fun part should be when I'm going through the baggies and lining up all the numbers. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward through some of this process. That way you're not here all day. So bear with me. All right, my editing skills are improving. I'm able to now consistently do things with the editing skills that I've acquired. So that's fun. Always great to know I can do something else. I just want to take this moment to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and thank you for taking the time to comment, leave me messages. I really appreciate it. I started this YouTube channel mostly just because I wanted to feel connected to others, and I wanted to feel like I was contributing to some videos that some people might enjoy. Just like I know when I'm doing my diamond painting, I like to just put on some people and listen to what's going on and see what all they're doing. A lot of times I don't even really watch as much as I do listen. So with that being said, that's one of the things I really like about being able to fast forward through some of these processes, is because it allows me to not have to engage in conversation while trying to focus on getting numbers lined up. I know for some people that's not an issue, but for me it kind of is. I deal with adult ADHD, and it's difficult to talk and keep a train of thought while looking at numbers and putting on stickers and doing all those things at once. The old joke used to be, can you chew gum and walk at the same time? Well, I can chew gum and walk at the same time, but I can't apparently seem to produce a video and kid up at the same time. So anyways, I don't think it really needs a whole long, drawn out video for it anyways. Because before I edited this video, it was over an hour long. An hour long, people. Which, I mean, for some videos, that's great. You need that hour. And if you have things to talk about, then it's definitely worth it. I just, with everything that's gone on lately, all the fires and stuff in my family, I don't know. I'm having a hard time doing more than existing at the moment, if that makes any sense. So there's just a lot going on, and I just hope that this finds all of you happy, healthy, and safe. So I know that one of the biggest goals in my life is just to be stable and secure. I think that's part of growing up for me. That's a little different than for a lot of people. Everybody takes different things from it, but for me, growing up has been one of those things where it's been a joy to get to that point in my life where I can relax and just exist with others in my world, in my life, and be around the people I love. But diamond painting is such a peaceful Zen place for me. I hope that diamond painting brings you joy in life too, and that whatever you're doing, it's leading towards a better place in your life. So I know I'm getting off subject now. I'm just kind of rambling, but I kind of wanted to get those vibes out there to everyone and let them know that I hope everything is going great for you. All right, well, we're almost done now, so I'll let you go. All right, finish watching. All right, bye. So that is everything kitted up, and it is ready to go. I'm going to do the washi tape sectioning of my canvas in my next video. Some of the containers that have extra baggies that I labeled up with these extra stickers here and put in, some people just keep those baggies separate and refill the containers as they empty out, which is fine. Neither way is right nor wrong. I just prefer to have them all out and ready to go and prepped. So I get them all in there. And these are a little full. I could have possibly split the 3 tons into another container. I decided not to, which is no big deal. I'm pretty cautious when it comes to pouring, so I don't think I'll have a problem. But like, there are a few colors that were a little bit tight, but most of them fit really well, one bag per one container. Elizabeth Ward storage containers. The thing with these is you can buy them where they have different sizes of containers on the inside. I opted for the minis for the whole thing. I really just like keeping them separate and uniformly consistent for size, so that way there's no varying rows, which doesn't matter to some people, I'm sure, but to me it does, so I keep it this way. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you in my next ones coming up, and much love. Have a good one. Bye, guys.